How do I cite a work with an anthology, reference, or collection? The first thing that I need to know is how to be able to recognize when I have a work within an anthology. And there are some clues. So let's take a look at an example. This is a story called Run Mourner Run and is written by Randall Keenan, as you can see. And if you look to the second left page, that is page 498, you can see that at the top is written The Penguin Book of Gay Short Stories. This here is a clue that this comes from an anthology, and this would be the title of the anthology. There are other clues, such as the fact that the author's name is given on the first page of the story, which suggests that we wouldn't otherwise know that the story was written by this particular author, and that it comes from a work in which multiple works are given and each is by a different author. And that is what an anthology is. It is a collection of works by different authors compiled together by an editor. And that is when we use the citation style for a work with an anthology. And that citation style is as follows: last name, comma, first name, title of essay in quotation marks, or in this case, title of story, title of the collection in italics, edited by, and then the editor's names, publisher, the name of the company who published the work, year, and then page range of entry. And if we look to the example below, we can see that the page range of entry also needs to say at the beginning of it pp dot, and then the first page dash the last page. So let's take a look at our example. The author we have, the title of the work we have, and we also have the title of the collection. However, just looking at this handout, we do not know the other information that we need. However, we can easily find that information out by going to Amazon. So if I type in Penguin Book of Gay Short Stories, I will find all the publication information that I need. Looking down here at the product details, I can see that it was published by Penguin Books, no surprises there. The year of publication is given to me as 1994. And I still need to know the editor, but if I look up above and I look at the title page, I am told that the editors are David Leavitt and Mark Mitchell. So the citation style is as follows: Keenan, comma, Randall, that's the author. Then in quotation marks, Run Mourner Run, that's the title of the story. Then in italics, The Penguin Book of Gay Short Stories. Edited by David Leavitt and Mark Mitchell. The publisher, Penguin, 1994, pp.496-515. And that is how you cite a work with an anthology.